Alright, so this is how you can graph your data using numbers. First off, you need your data entered, and I have columns for everything that I need. Time, sand, soil, water, my control. I have my time from 0 to 30 minutes. To insert a graph, a line graph, I select the data that I want to graph. I go to insert, and I want to insert a line chart or line graph. So I select line, and it graphs all of my data for me. I'm going to move it over here so I can actually see it. Let's make this a little bit bigger so we can actually see what's going on. Alright, now you need your inspector, and you can show your inspector with this little eye. And you need the chart inspector, so it looks like a little chart. It says chart inspector. And we are going to format a couple different things. Let's format the y-axis. Let's set the maximum at 70. Let's set the minimum at 0. Let's increase the steps so we have some nice even numbers. There it's counting by tens. Let's go down to show minor grid lines, and let's increase those so we're counting by twos. 52, 54, 56. We need one more. 52, 54, 56, 58, 60. And what else can we do? We can show the axis, so that way we have a nice line there. We can show the title. Right here it says title. Let's edit that. This is the temperature. Temperature. The unit is degrees Celsius. So there's our title. We can move our key, our legend, around. Let's move that. Let's move it up here to the corner, and let's condense this just a little bit. And what else can we do? We need to format the x-axis. So I'm going to select my graph again. X-axis, let's show the title of that. My title is going to be time. That's my independent variable. The unit is minutes. And what else can we do? We can show grid lines. So now we have some nice lines going up. Untitled 1, Untitled 5. We want to change the labels. So I'm going to select all of these. And let's move this over just a little bit. We want the time to be our labels. So we're going to select the time from 0 to 30 minutes. Check mark. Check, check. And what else can we do? Let's title this. You can use any title. Time affecting temperature, light on and off. Could talk about sand and water and soil, but that's good enough for now. Let's format our legend here. We need to go to series for that. So I click on series and we select one, and this is our control. So rather than saying untitled, let's select where it says control. That's right here. There we go. And let's select another one. This is my water rather than untitled. Click back on label. Let's label that water. There we go. Check, check. Let's do number 2. and that's my sand. Instead of being untitled, we're going to click on sand, and we have one last one, the green one. Here, greeny, greeny, greeny. Delete that. Click on the label again, and let's select soil. And let's also change the size of these. Let's make the size maybe a 4, so it's not too huge. Let's type in 4 for each of these. We just select the line, we click in 4, we can change the symbol if you want to. You can make the symbols squares or triangles. You can make them diamonds. Lots of different shapes that you can use. You can format the size of the line, but that looks pretty good for right now. And we're done. We're done with our graph. Check, check.